This little project was going to be a segment in next week's video. If there's one thing I enjoy the most, it's tinkering around with small projects like this. So I decided to let it stand on its own and release it as a separate video. If it was up to me, everything would have casters on it. Maybe I'm weird, but there's just something about them I've always liked. I bet you're wondering why I made this contraption. Well, that clawfoot tub is pretty heavy, and this is going to make it a little easier for us to move it around while we're doing construction. Also, in the future, we've got dressers and other things that are heavy that we need to move around. So, that's why I made it. Next time on the Vineyard Farmhouse, framing the linen closet. Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to smash the little bell button so you could be notified when the next videos come out.
Oh yeah? You're looking at me? What?